These 5 AI tools are already replacing humans, and number 3 is doing it faster than anyone expected. It's already replacing coders, and it's only getting smarter. You might think AI is years away from taking your job, but the truth is, it's already happening, and 2025 will be the year things change forever. Welcome back to Smart Tech Digest, where we explore the cutting-edge tech shaping our future. Today, we'll reveal 5 AI tools that are already taking over human jobs and will dominate even more in 2025. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. Stay tuned until the end, because number 1 could make millions of jobs disappear almost overnight. 1. ChatGPT 5, the master of content creation. ChatGPT has already revolutionized writing, from blog posts to sales emails, students' essays to corporate reports. AI can now produce polished text in seconds. The next version, GPT-5, is expected to be smarter, faster, and capable of handling complex projects like legal contracts, news articles, and even entire books. Imagine a world where companies no longer need large content teams. They'll just have one AI, running 24/7, producing endless high-quality material without breaks or salaries. 2. Synthesia AI video creator without a camera. With Synthesia, you don't need actors, cameras, or studios. You simply type a script, choose an AI presenter, and in minutes you have a professional video. Companies are using it for marketing, training, customer support, and even online learning. In the past, creating one corporate video could take weeks and cost thousands of dollars. Now, it's minutes, and just a fraction of the cost. This could put a huge dent in demand for videographers, actors, and production crews. 3. GitHub Copilot X, the AI replacing coders. This is the one that's already replacing coders. GitHub Copilot X uses AI to write, debug, and optimize code in seconds. Need an app? You can simply describe it in plain English and watch the AI create it. Startups that once needed a full team of developers can now build products with just 1 or 2 people. This is a massive game changer for the software industry, one that could reshape the job market for programmers forever. 4. MidJourney V6, the AI artist and designer. Need a stunning product design, an advertising poster, or even a full comic book? MidJourney V6 can create photorealistic images and artwork in seconds from a simple text prompt. Artists, graphic designers, and illustrators are already seeing reduced demand as companies realize they can create high-quality visuals without hiring a creative team. Even big brands are experimenting with AI-generated marketing campaigns. 5. AutoGPT, the self-running AI employee. AutoGPT is like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and can run entire projects on its own. Tell it a goal like starting a dropshipping business or creating a social media campaign, and it will research, plan, and execute without your constant input. This means fewer human managers, assistants, and project coordinators will be needed. In 2025, this kind of autonomous AI could become the backbone of countless businesses. These tools are not just changing industries, they're reshaping the future of work itself. The question isn't whether AI will replace jobs, but which jobs it will replace first. Which of these tools do you think is the biggest threat in 2025? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to stay one step ahead of the AI revolution, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The future is coming fast, and you'll want to be ready. Thanks for watching. Remember, AI isn't here to scare you. It's here to challenge you to adapt, grow, and find new opportunities in a changing world. See you in the next video.